Here's another easy Larimar Effect Resin Pour using Trasparente Resin by Resin Pro in our Crystal Edge round mold. I didn't have a lot of this resin left, so instead of mixing up 9.5 ounces, I only had about 7.4 ounces for this pour. I'm using Turquoise Deep there for my dark color. And then my lighter color is going to be Quinacradone Magenta. Both are resin inks by Liquitex. And then I've got Deep Violet, 2 tiny drops for a small push. And of course, Castin Craft White Pigment. And a little bit of glitter for the center. And with this pour, I changed up the Larimar effect in my other 2 videos that I had doing this, where I'm taking a little bit of the darker color and pouring it around the edge of my crystal mold. I think this keeps the white from going up the sides, which I really like. My resin's showing there about 29.6 degrees Celsius. I think I did pour when it was about 31 degrees Celsius. And I'm just taking the tiny bit there and circling around the edge. So when I push the rest of the colors in, it's going to push that blue or that turquoise deep up the sides. And this is a pretty easy pour. I just do my edges, I pour the white in, the rest of the turquoise deep color, then the quinacridone magenta on top of it, and then the tiny push. And as usual, my video is only going to be less than 4 minutes long because I just edit all the extraneous stuff out. There's no reason to see me mixing colors in cups or dropping drops in cups. It's so unnecessary. And there's the little bit of the deep violet. And I'm putting the little bit of crushed glass and glitter in the center. And what I really love about this Trasparente resin is it's so reactive. It does end up with a lot of bubbles on the top, micro bubbles, but it's so reactive when it's moving here, as you'll be able to see. This is just the time lapse on my phone, and it'll start moving. It almost starts blossoming out to the sides before it starts pulling in and creating all the cell magic. And I think I didn't get as many cells in this one because I had less resin. Like I said, I only mixed up about 7.44 ounces for this, where when I've done this pour in this before, I've gone up to 9.5 ounces. And in our Crystal Edge square mold, I did the same pour, also again at like 9.5 ounces. But nonetheless, it turned out to be pretty. Our Crystal Edge round mold never disappoints. It always produces beautiful results, and this one is no exception.